Eli, huh?
Yeah.
You know, him and a few other men from the PD, you know, they had a big gangbang, you know. And let's say that Mr. Fanny's pussy got beat up, you know.
Oh my god. What has happened to her? What's become of Fanny? Why is everybody in this city banging the pussy but me?
I don't know.